Okay, good. So here we have our fish. So we're gonna curry these, and I'm just adding some garlic powder, onion powder. I'm adding some turmeric. Some meat seasoning, cool onions, some garlic plus, some Cajun seasoning, and I'm not gonna add my curry as yet. The curry is for later. I do not add my curry to my meat or my fish. When I'm cooking it, I add it to the pot, to the oil. I burn the curry in the oil, okay? So we're just gonna rub this in. So the fish them nicely seasoned, look at that. So over here I have my pot on the stove, and I added some butter. I'm adding a piece of pepper, and I'm also going to be adding some garlic. I'm using minced garlic. You can use about 2 cloves of garlic, but this is my minced or chopped garlic that I'm adding. Okay, so I'm just gonna allow this now to start frying up, and then I'm going to add my curry. All right, good. So now we're gonna add our curry. Beautiful. And you just wanna stir this in, okay? So we're gonna add our fish. Beautiful. Now we're gonna add some water. And we're gonna add the water to the pan so we can get out all of the seasoning, okay? So now we're gonna cut up our onion, our green onion, our thyme, and we're gonna add it with some bell peppers, okay? Okay, good. It's pot to bubble up. So time to add our seasonings. I have some onions, some green bell peppers, and a piece of thyme. So I'm just gonna add that. And at this point, you just wanna taste the pot now and see if you need any salt or whatever you might need at this point. Is your choice. You can add it. So there you go. I'm just gonna cover this down and finish it off. Wait for the final result. And remember, we're doing the curry fish with the turned cornmeal. So just stick around, okay? Okay, goodies. So our curry fish is done. Let me know what you think about this recipe, goodies. New to the channel, please subscribe. All right. Look at that. I'm gonna share this up now with my turned cornmeal. So wait for the final result, goodies. Beautiful. Look at that curry gravy. I made the gravy go down and nice and nice. Smells so good, goodies. All right, stick around. Okay, goodies, here it is, nicely shared out with my turned cornmeal. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, like the video, share the video. Until next time, walk good.